Hello, my fellow Americans. As you know, it is election season in our country, and it is your God given right to elect your representation. I'm sure you're aware of the difficult times we're having at our borders. Our borders are being attacked on a daily basis, and there's nothing I can do about that. You're also experiencing high levels of inflation and extremely high prices at the gas pump and at our homes. And I can't do anything about that either. You have experienced in the past couple of years a huge increase in rental charges, and that I can help you with. Yes, I can negotiate for you the best real estate transaction on your next purchase. I will represent your best interest, and I promise to make real estate home ownership great again. And that you can take to the bank. My name is Henry Artiga with eXp Realty, license number S0173900, and I promise to you that I will fight for you and I will negotiate the best real estate transaction you've ever had. I look forward to meeting you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.